Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kelly. Today I'm doing a bead unboxing for Dollar Bead Box for the month of December 2023. I did peek, of course, because I'm like a kid in a candy store. So it says, all of us here at Dollar Bead Club hope that 2023 has been a good year for you and that your next year brings you happiness, joy, and lots of beading pleasure. So, this is the list of everything. So I also get the Dollar Bead bag. It's 8 strands for $8 that I add onto this subscription here. And look at this. I mean, you will not get these anywhere cheaper. So they're so beautiful. And then here's all the goodies. Ooh, can't wait to unbox them. Let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to start with the 3mm strands. This is the alabaster white gold travertine, or you could get the matte copper brass mix. So this is it, and I also have it in 4mm. So I have it in both. Let me move this. Make sure I have enough light here. So I have it in each 3mm and 4mm, so it's nice. So that way, if you're working on a project and you need a smaller bead or a bigger bead, you have it. And then next is the matte jonquil. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. It's so pretty. I love using these. I use these fire polish beads for everything from my I use them as spacers in my necklaces to I use them on my memory wire bracelets, everything. The next is crystal copper bronze or vitral vintage metallic. This is the 3mm. How pretty that is. Next is the matte jet half gold. And it's got so many different unique veins in it. I mean, it's because they're tiny, you can't really see them as well, but there's so much structure to these beads, and just like the different colors and just textures. So pretty. Okay, so next is, hold on one second. Next is the alabaster white gold travertine or matte copper brass mix. Wait a minute, did I just do that? Yes. Okay, so I already used that. So the matte light topaz. I'm thinking that this is it. Oh wait, matte light topaz. I'm thinking that's which one this is. So this is really pretty. Then we have crystal copper bronze, and this is another 4mm. Got all the so pretty for this. And then this is the matte mix metallic, I would think. So look at all of these gorgeous, look at them together. You could, I mean, there's so much you could do with these. I love this every month. It's like Christmas come early. Okay, so let me get all the other beads set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with the 8mm check glass cherry flower in antique gold, 25 pieces, and that is, so the holes in the middle here. These are so pretty. These make beautiful spacer beads too. You can use these as cap beads too. There's a teeny bit of a bend, you know, a curve in them that you could use them in between like big beads, and there's so much shine and texture to them that it really looks pretty in there. Next we have 4mm check glass Drux in Crystal Maria, 50 pieces. Then we have, oh, look at these pretty. And next is the 6mm check glass pearls in bone or golden sand. I think this is golden sand. 20 pieces here. Oh, and also I forgot to tell you, I have, if you use my coupon code BNJewelry2, you get $2 off your first order with them. So I will leave the coupon code below as well. And next is 7x19mm check glass faceted ovals. Look at these, how pretty. Look at that. Matte Jet Mocha. What a cool name. Sounds like coffee. Chocolate coffee. Sounds good to me. Next is 5x8mm check glass spikes, Crystal Maria or Crystal and Gold. I think this is Crystal Maria. There's 30 pieces here. And the hole is in the top, right there. So you can see where the string's coming out. So pretty. And these are so much fun to work with. They're 2 holes, 12mm check glass 2-hole hexagon pyramids in matte gold, 8 pieces. I use these a lot of times. I will take these if I'm making, when I'm making like a necklace or something, and I will use the 2 holes and make like a pendant out of it, or use them to connect something. But these are so much fun. And here's the 2 holes right up here. It's coming out of one. Yeah, so pretty. So next we have 5x6mm check glass faceted beads in jet black. Look at that. Look how pretty those are. And there's 10 pieces here. So pretty. And next is a 10mm check fire polish crystal volcano 1 piece. Wow, look at this. See, half of it's like, look at all the colors in it. The colors just depend on what's around it. See, it's like that. See how it just changes? And then on the back, it's like a silver. Oh, so gorgeous. This would make a beautiful pendant stone. Yes. And next are 12mm check glass abstract nuggets in jet, 2 pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. And they do have, where's my, oh here, let me put these on a head pin so you can see, because they do have a little bit of a different shape to them. You see how as you turn them, they have different shapes to them. They're so pretty. And next is 6x8mm check glass twisted rondelles in jet. They're so pretty. They have, I love the way they look like they have that twirl going on because they're twisted. Absolutely beautiful. Check glass is such a great bead. They're so sturdy and they last. You can do pretty much anything with check glass. Next is a 17x22mm check glass bumblebee white with gold, 1 piece. Here he is, and he's the same on both sides. So pretty. You can take this and bezel it and make a ring out of it, you know, if you want to. Or you can use it as a pendant, a necklace, or get another one and make a pair of earrings out of it. Next is 8 by 20 millimeter check glass oval jet, 4 pieces. These are like the table cut ones. I love these. We have, let me put through here, 1 and 2. Oh, look how pretty they are. So pretty. So next are the 10 by 17 millimeter brass leaves, 2 pieces. These are, I love using these for earrings. Now there's 2 holes. You can see the 2 holes, one right there and one right there. So you could like, I mean, you could bead weave these onto something. You know, like you could use them like this for wings, or have them, you know. Maybe I'll try doing something like that, something different. Kind of gives you some ideas with these. Okay, and next is the 16 millimeter check glass ammonite in jet, 2 pieces. These are really cool. So this is them. They're the same on both sides. I love the way they send you a little bit of everything. I mean, you can really get a lot of earrings out of these. And next are 8 millimeter check glass Baroque pearls in cream, 10 pieces. These are gorgeous. Wow. Let me find the hole. I'll put some on my, here we go. There's 1, 2, and 3. How pretty they are. These would be really pretty with like the twisted rondelles, to make something like maybe New Year's Eve. If you're going out somewhere special, we never do. And the next is 24 by 26 millimeter Chinese writing stone focal bead, 1 piece. Oh, is this gorgeous. Look at that. This is how it goes. Oh, this screams pendant right here. How cool is that? And I'm sure each one of these and each one of our boxes is a little bit different. And then these are always my favorite. 17 by 17 millimeter check glass diaphan jet travertine with gold wash, 2 pieces. I always love these. These are so cool. Just the shape, the way they're designed. They have like the little ridges on the top, you know, for some texture. They're smooth, but yet they have those little bumps in between each one. I love using these for earrings, or using them as pendants. Or you could, that would be a cool ring too. You could bezel a ring. Very pretty. And last but not least, 11/0 check glass seed beads in hematite. 1 tube, approximately 5 grams. I'm not going to take these out, as you can see them, but they're so pretty. I absolutely loved this box, but then I don't think I've ever gotten a box from Dollar Bead Box that I don't love. So yes, look at all these gorgeous, gorgeous goodies. I can't wait to work with them. So yes, I do have, if you use the coupon code BNJewelry2, I will leave the coupon code below so you can just copy it and paste it in. You will save $2 off your first order with them. And they're a very good company. Whenever I've had any problems, I email them, and literally within, that same day, they're emailing me back and fixing any problem I had, so although I haven't had to email them really more than once or twice. So, but yeah, so hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. Please like, share, and subscribe my videos and my YouTube channel. It really helps my search engines. And I have links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook pages below. And stay tuned for a tutorial from this. And don't forget to like my channel as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.